YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Prime Day is just around the corner, guys. They got Prime Day sales going on now, so definitely take advantage of that. And we'll see what's inside this little bag or package envelope. So, we shall see what this is. This month went by fast. Pretty soon it's going to be end of summer and back to the fall. And now we have here, oh boy, here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at SOVMIKU. We've seen their cameras already, a few of them. This is their other one, PTZ Smart Camera. Bada boom, bada bing. Easy to achieve, real time. Here's the goodies. 350 and 90-degree turn. IP66, clear night vision. 100 feet night vision, alarm push. Motion detection, HD video, remote viewing. Tablets, cell phones, smartphones. You guys know the deal. I'm going to use my tablet once I get this out of the box. We'll set that up. There's going to be an app to it. So make sure you know your wireless router password. Here we go. So I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Click on that. And I'll show you their little store they have. There we go, we got some screws. Not sure where I'm going to mount this, so we're just going to do a full review kind of without the install. So I just don't know. I'm running out of room. We got this little guy right there. USB, that's it for that. Tuck this back in. So definitely check them out. It's always good to stay ahead, protect your home, your business, anywhere that needs a little protection. Keep an eye on your garage, your cars, even in bays or on farms. It's always good to stay ahead of the bad guy, you know. SOVMIKU. This is super lightweight. I like this. A lot of cord right here. Plug it in right here. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a lot of cord. So we got, oops. There we go. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm not gonna use all that right today. These will turn. See, and then underneath here is where the TF card goes. Probably the power. Right there's a slot. Cover that up good. There you go. Flush mounted. And a speaker should be right there. Oops. There's a speaker. There's a QR code. You're going to need that. So we got that right there. And now I'm going to grab the tablet and start this thing up. So it's probably going to be like this. Yeah, see the two holes right there. I don't want to snap it off right now, but you'll unsnap it and then pop it back. We're going to mount it and slide it in. I want to be careful. There we go. And then see, so it'll be like that. Like that. And now we're going to grab the tablet. Alright guys, we just got it turned on. So it's going to reconfig. The app's a vehicle home app. But there's going to be a QR code to scan for the Android and Apple. So we heard the chime. Let's go over here. Add new device. Calm down. I think this is gonna be here we go. There it is. I gotta enter my email and my Wi-Fi password. Confirm. Alright, calm down. Connect. Here we go, it's connecting. Should be a success. It's going to show this. There we go. I'll get the lights. Got 6 lights right there. There we go. It's initializing the device. Now you get to name it and add the location. So we're going to call it backyard. Then it'll tell you like brief instructions to make sure you want to know where you're going to mount it. And it should. Backyard is live. Right there. Oh, hold on. I haven't shaved in a couple days. Been really busy. A lot of videos coming through with Prime Day coming up. So, like I said, take advantage of their sales right now. They got the PTZ controller right here. You can scroll. See, it's moving. See? Oh, there I am. There I go. And it's fast, nice respond. There's a hello. There we go. We know that. Motion tracking. Motion will detect. Oh, see? Whoa. That's pretty cool. And then now we got the alarm. I like to scare my Amazon drivers with that white light. Bam. That's super bright. Sorry about that. But even with the really nice light though. You see right there. What else do we need to show? We got the light sensors. You can set it up for dead areas that you want to cover to protect. It will show in the settings. You can always do that. Motion detection. It'll show the duration, cooldown time, motion tracking, sleep schedule, duration, all that good stuff right there. And then you could do pan and tilt setting. You can calibrate it, but ours is fine right now. Video settings, night vision mode. Auto night vision is a good one to get. Black and white, color mode. But the I do believe that will leave the lights on, so it all depends on the way you have your camera. You don't want to make your neighbors mad with the light being on. So you can always change the screen resolution. 2K, baby. And then we go back out. Alarm settings we already showed. Frame of SD management. So, and then there I am. You can always watch it like that. So really cool. Like I said, check them out. Easy to install and easy to use. Can't go wrong. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.